Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to change the secure DNS settings in Google Chrome Beta on your mobile device. This is useful if you want faster browsing, better privacy, or to use a specific DNS provider for security. First, open the Google Chrome Beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down until you see Use Secure DNS and tap on it to access the DNS configuration. Then, select Choose Another Provider to see a list of available DNS providers you can use. Finally, choose the DNS provider you prefer from the list. Once selected, Chrome Beta will use that DNS provider for your browsing, improving security and performance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.